Today, I'm showing you how you send captured leads from a Weebly form into a Mailchimp list. So we're using this contact form, which we generated with AI, of course, with Weebly. We have an email field here, and what we want is as soon as a respondent enters their email, that they're added to a Mailchimp list. So in your form editor, if you head on over to integrations, you'll see Mailchimp over here amongst all the other integrations that we offer. Just click the add button and you'll be greeted with this screen asking you to connect your Weebly account to your Mailchimp account. So it's a rather simple process. You click connect, you log in and authorize within Mailchimp. It will ask you whether you trust their application. You can trust their application, don't worry about it. So you have the sort of the permissions here and the tips. Let's press allow and we'll be redirected back into Weebly. So adding the integration once that you've connected is rather simple. You press add and then you're able to select which Mailchimp list you want to add the email address to. So in this case, there's only one, so that's pretty easy. And then you can select the email field. So if you have a form, for example, with multiple email fields, this allows you to select the right email field that you want to add. So let's press this email field here, create our integration. So now that our integration is added, we can go ahead and trial run it. Let's first open up Mailchimp so that it can show you the list. So it's just a dummy list only containing myself. And let's now go ahead and share our form and play the role of the respondent. So copy paste this. We'll just enter some dummy data. I think this is not needed. Only the email is going to be required. So let's call it john@doe.com and go ahead and submit our form that is required. So let's call it John Doe. There we go, and hit the submit button. So automatically, if I go back into Mailchimp and I refresh, you will see that John Doe has been added as a member of my list in Mailchimp. So that's how you get capture leads from Weebly and then send over the email into a Mailchimp email list so that you can then sort of set up automations, contact them, include them in your newsletter, that sort of stuff.